Hey, it's Emily and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be decluttering my room because one, look at this. This is new. This is a white wall in my room. I am currently in the middle of painting this wall. It needs to be pink. I'm changing it up a little bit. Hopefully I'll make a video of the whole wall transformation. I took off like everything from this wall and I'm going to be redoing it. So that means that I don't have a backdrop at the moment to be able to film on. So right now we're just going to be decluttering my room. I have a basket right here. I'm going to be trashing, donating some stuff. So that's all stuff I'm already getting rid of. And then maybe I'll take a trip to Goodwill to get rid of all that. Okay, so let me give you a little like overlook of my room at the moment. It's a little bit chaotic because rearranging, doing some stuff. So first, right behind me is just the wall, and then we've got tarp, ladder, all that. We're gonna avoid that. I'm putting this up. That's where it's supposed to be. That is not where it's supposed to be. And then that used to be here. I moved it for a little bit. So yeah, chaotic, but that's the vibe. And then my closet, we've got my birds in here momentarily and a bunch of, you know, stuff. It's not like a mess. It's just things aren't where they're supposed to be because the place they're supposed to be is preoccupied. So why don't I just start here? Got a bunch of stuff. Oh, I want to get rid of this. I have a trash bag here. Okay, these I can get rid of. What is this, a tag? Should probably keep that. My computer should stay. This is kind of bothering me, so I might get rid of it. Okay, drawer number 1 will probably stay like that. This drawer is a mess. This I'm doing an unboxing of soon. All of these I do not need. I'm kind of just gonna leave that there because this is all stuff that I'm gonna fix later. This will stay the same. This is a mess. I don't need this. Don't need these highlighters. Cat food will stay in there. Got a bunch of masks. I'm gonna throw these in my laundry. I think most of them are clean. All of those should be clean. I'm gonna throw these ones in the laundry. And then let's see what else I got. This is unnecessary, as well as this. Got an eraser. Okay, all that can stay, and I think I want to keep this. Now I'm trashing these and these. These I'm going to just put outside of my room. Oh, and then this I usually keep in here. That can stay too. These I'm going to keep until I'm sure I'm not going to keep the things that they're attached to. So I'll put them somewhere. This is my camera drawer. It's a mess. I don't need this in here. And this is broken. This I'll keep. These came off of my tripod. I literally don't know what happened. Don't know if they're important. I think I'll get rid of them. These came off of my computer. I think I have all 4, so I'm gonna glue them back on or something. They're just from the case. So I'll keep those in there. And then, yeah, everything's important in there. And then trash, trash, trash. And I'm just gonna move this somewhere else. Perfect. Okay, so now I also have all of this stuff. So these are gonna go back on the wall. And these belong with that. These are to hang up something. And then I don't need any of these, so I'm gonna get rid of them. And then I'm just gonna put these in here for now, because who cares, right? Okay, then everything else. This doesn't work, but it's cute. Got my clock, that, my pills, and then all of my jars. And that's it. It doesn't look great, but it's fine. Moving on. I'm gonna put these away and then be back. Okay, so now for some of the real decluttering. I have a bucket right here with a bunch of purses in it, and this is I just keep under my bed, so I don't use them often, but we're gonna go through them. So I have this one. I don't think I have a strap to it anymore, but like any strap will work. I've never used it, got it from a friend. It's cute. I think I'm still gonna keep it. It would be cute. This don't need anymore because I got the new one from my flip video, linked in corner. So I think I'm gonna gift this to a friend or family member or someone who will use it. Or I might keep it around. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one just because it's cute. I use it a lot. Simple, basic. This is from a friend. It's super cute. Keeping it. Okay, I used this for prom junior year, but I haven't used it for anything ever since. But like, it's cute and functional. Would I ever use this? I think I'll keep it. I have this bag, super cute. Keeping that, keeping this one, and my wallet. What's in here? This I made a while ago, keeping it. Oh yeah, this has a bunch of lights in it. And it's a cute bag, keeping it. And then I've got my yoga mat in here. So yeah, from that, I'm only possibly getting rid of this. Okay, I have a few more buckets, so let's move to the next one. Okay, this one should have a bunch of stuff that I want to get rid of. I've got these from a friend, keeping it. This is from a friend. I've got to get rid of this. This is my first ever camera. I didn't ever use it to film because I didn't do that then, and it didn't pick up sound. But I use it for memories and stuff. It's got some pictures on it, I think, still. So I'm gonna find a way to transfer those and then get rid of this. For my penny board, this sometimes helpful for winter. Giant knitting hooks. Okay, yeah, dog ate these. I really don't enjoy using them. I think I'm gonna get rid of them. Camera stuff. I don't use these, so I'm gonna get those to someone else. I don't think I'm ever gonna use this. It is like a phone holder for my tripod. Yeah, I'll just get rid of this. A bunch of memento items. I don't think I'm gonna go through these today. Actually, I might. I don't need these. These are like Disneyland or Universal Studios ticket stubs. They're kind of cute though. Like if I had like some sort of journal where I put mementos in, I would keep these. But I don't. But I kind of like them. They're cute. I don't like want to keep any of this, but I don't want to get rid of a lot of it either. The thing is, I want to get rid of everything, but like I'll probably use these again one day. Camera stuff, a whole bunch of Polaroids. I'm going to just put these back in. Got some henna stuff, keychain, shells, this and that and that and this. Okay. These are nail art stuff. Haven't done nail art in so long because of dance. Haven't danced in months and still haven't done nail art, so I get rid of that one and that one. Okay, got a bunch of jewelry in here that I keep in here because I know I probably won't wear it. I keep all this. And I'm giving up on this bucket because it's a mess. Okay, that's good. 2 more buckets. I think one of them only has a blanket in it, so there's only like one to go through. Okay, so actually both of the buckets that are left under my bed have blankets in them, so I don't have to go through those. But now we have my closet. So here it is. I mean, it's not too bad. I already know I'm probably not gonna go through the clothes. I recently did that. Those are fine. That is fine. Yeah, so this is the only thing in my closet that I need to go through. So this is just stuff that I never use. So I've got my prom dress. I have to take pictures and try to sell that. I think this is empty. It should be. Now we've got some records to go in my record player. I should probably go through these and see which ones suck, because I know some of them do. And then we've got backpacks. I never use these because I don't need a backpack, but like I think I'd use these as carry-on bags. I got that one and that one. I think that's... Oh, I got some pots. I should probably go through those, but I think they're fine there. Got my mirror. I'll use that somewhere. Bags, this thing, record player, and then I should go through this. But I also don't want to. But I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Oh, look. Those are from last Christmas for a friend. I'm gonna go through this. This right here is my dance bag from the last couple of years. It's got all of my stuff that I feel guilty about getting rid of in here. So I'm gonna see if I can get rid of something. So we've got my diploma. I've got to keep that, I think. I don't want to keep any of this, but like, what am I going to do with these? Like, what am I going to do with this? I'm going to go through it really quickly off camera, just because it's high school stuff. Who cares? So, yeah. Alright, so I got rid of one thing, and I do have this one basket from in my closet that I think needs a little bit of going through. So I'm going to go through this really quick. So we've got some camera stuff. This, I don't think has a pot to go with it. It might. I'll see if it does. I don't think it does. I'll throw it away if it does not have a plant pot. Oh. Sewing stuff. I can move this somewhere else. This is all sewing stuff. Got some Polaroid stuff. This, I think I need all of this. Got some buttons. I'll just put these in here. Got some sunglasses. Yeah, so now I'm going to put everything back in. Okay, that's good. So that was fun. Now I've got to find a place for all of these things. And then I think the last thing is my bathroom. Okay, so I just quickly looked in like all of my bathroom storage. I don't think there's anything that I would really get rid of because, you know, it's all products that I can use eventually. So yeah, that's like all of the things. And now like obviously my room's still a mess. So I've got a like backdrop thing that I want to hang up, and then I've got to finish the wall, paint it, move the clothing rack and all that. And I think that's going to be in its own video. So I think I'm going to finish all of that. We'll see what happens next. So yeah.